welcome back with another video when Steal a Brain Rot mod, and we're just going to get stuff. There's a Sigma boy, a TTT sour, Tatata sour, TTT sour trash, Tatata sour trash, and we are going to, oh, she called me ugly boy, huh? Wow. And I'm gonna collect my money. And he's gonna collect his money, and a girl just called him ugly, like it was no big deal, but it was a big deal. But then we decided to do something to her. Then when she was trying to steal from us, when I don't think it's this part yet. Oh yeah, and also I'm here with Alan Rain, guys. Alan Rain. I was actually in the Alan Rain video. Don't worry, I was actually playing with Alan Rain in his video with me. My nickname is Swaggy Blade 4. People normally call me Swaggy Blade 4. And subscribe if you want any of them. Yeah. Or like. Oh man, wait. Is somebody knocking at my door? Okay, nobody is. Okay, guys, we're just back now. Alan Rain went back home. I'm not getting that thing right there. No, I'm not getting this chimpanzee by the watermelon. I'm not getting Coco Fanta. Not getting that blood. It's blooded, and I'm still not getting it. It looks cool. Oh, that shovel thing. Forgot what his name is. I gotta try to get it. How did I miss? Okay, that's cool. Oh, Ballerina Lololo. I hit the girl. Yeah, I jumped. Did you guys see that jump? That jump was so good, guys. And also like and subscribe. Las Tralalitos, 1.9 million. No way. I was about to get it, but Captain Assassino. What the heck is that? So, a tung 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 sound. No way. That is so trash, guys. It's really trash. Oh, a golden Sigma boy. No, I ain't getting that, guys. Oh, they're stealing that. They're stealing my thing. Oh, I let that girl steal it, actually. Oh, I didn't let her. I gotta lock my base. Perfect. Now, oh, there's a golden, a rainbow alpaca, Sartuno, Sartunita, but I'm not getting it. Robux shop. I'm not getting anything from the Robux shop. Like and subscribe and comment down below, guys. Look at her. Oh, she told me to come. She's at my house. Told me to come in her base. She ain't no way I ain't gonna stay this ugly base. I reset myself. Okay. now I just gotta keep going. Another Sigma boy, no way, I'm not doing that. A Gorbro fruta green, wow. Okrel, I'm not getting Tung, so I'm not also getting that. And I'm not getting that cat. Too little money. And guys, we're trying to hit 1K subscribers by the end of the year. So please do that, guys. Hit that notification button too, guys.
Trippi troppi troppa trippa. Trippi troppi troppa trippa. La grande combinazione.
Like I was saying, but now we'll just probably try to buy something. Yeah, but we're gonna now try to buy something. But I'm telling that girl, she messes with me. I'm a Medusa head. Oh, this is not my base. This is that girl's base. We gotta go to my base. It's unlocked. See my base. Get out my base. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. And now I'm putting the B right there. Under the map, and I'm looking on her screen right now. Bye, guys.